Does Orgonite block Wi-Fi signals?
Oh, right. Okay. Now this is kind of a the answer to it is a little bit complicated. See if I can break it down. There are just without considering Orgonite, there are certain materials that you can buy that have an inherent RF blocking ability. For example, you can go online and you can buy something called like RF blocking or foams or sheets of fabric, and these fabrics are made of certain materials that are able to block RF radiation. Okay, so if you were to get some of these materials, you know, like magnesium powder, zinc powder, and certain steel powders, and mix it within Orgonite, within an epoxy as powders, it would have an inherent microwave blocking capability. But in general, if you just take like brass shavings, copper shavings, depending on the size of them, they may or may not attenuate some of those fields. So the whole point here is Orgonite inherently doesn't necessarily block your Wi-Fi. For example, if I was concerned about wireless energy coming from my router, kind of affecting me, but I need it to do my work in the office, I would have one of these pyramids on or near the Wi-Fi router. The signal, the data, still goes from the router to my computer relatively unimpeded. So it's not meant to do that. What it does instead is transforms the energy of that signal, the nature of that signal. And a lot of that deals with the properties of Orgonite, but some of it does deal with what you're putting in your Orgonite. It does depend on the powders and what those materials are able to do when it comes to microwaves.